Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to quickly turn off the camera sound for iPhone. So first let's open the camera app and let's try taking pictures. As you can hear, it makes sound. Now if you want to get rid of that sound, you can either turn the silent mode on. As you can see here, as soon as I turn it on and take pictures, it doesn't make sound. And once again, if I go ahead and turn the silent mode off, it will make this sound. Now a lot of people might find this inconvenient, and that's why I have another option. All you have to do is to tap on the icon at the top right corner of the screen. That turns on the live option. As soon as you tap on it and you take pictures, it will not make any sound. Now that's how you do it, guys. Now if you like the video and you find it helpful, please like and comment down below. Also subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your problems. Thanks for watching.